Screwdriver, hammer, torch. Stop pumping eater. What? No. Tommy. Jesus. No, go on, get it. Repeat again. That's why I should get it. Apparently Tommy messed up my torch. We don't want a lot of heat. We just want to get this nut up the head of this bolt off. We don't want to wreck anything. Then we'll probably decimate the whole thing. Let's see, I can't see that. That's better. Oh, there it is. I'm trying to melt it. I'm not trying to torch it. Trying to melt as much of it as I can. So if I torch it, I can take a chance of blowing into the cast iron, which I could be taking a chance of ruining the intake anyway. So, don't worry, we're crossing our fingers. Wish you could just give it a little bit of air. Where the heck did that come from? No, you don't need to be in there. Trying to get rid of all the extra slag. Okay, here's where we're at. Got a little bit. Roll stuff like this. See? It is turning. It is turning. I believe. Okay, let's shut this torch off. I believe it's turning. The way it looks to me. Let's tap on it once and see what we get. Maybe we got lucky anyway. And the best part is we didn't wreck anything. Oh, wow. Boy, is that luck. Hopefully we didn't hurt the intake. Well, luck is on my side this time, I guess. I melted the head and it was enough to take the pressure off the bolt. It's turning right out of the head. That's what I'm talking about. That's luck. Like nothing I've ever seen. At least for me anyway, because I don't have luck like this. I have luck on market space, but I don't have luck on doing this stuff like this. See what I think happened was it heated the bolt all the way down through, and then when I stopped torching, it cooled off and shrank. It expanded when it got hot and shrank. So when I got most of the head off it, that loosened it up. And here we are. Wish there was somewhere to put a screwdriver in the door. Oh, there we go. Check it out. Yeah, worked for a little bit, huh? Hope that didn't land anything important. Good. It doesn't look like we wrecked the intake either. Awesome. Now, let's see what's going to happen. There should be a cork gasket here, which in turn means I should be able to put a screwdriver and bang through that cork gasket and separate the intake. I mean, I'm not saying a screwdriver is going to work. It might take like a sledgehammer. Maybe. Or probably would probably be the better bet is where did I put that chisel? Where is that chisel? Gotta excuse the compressor, but we gotta keep it running or it won't build. So, let's see. Here's the rubber gasket. You hear how it's getting hollow? That means it's breaking loose. It's trying. What'd I tell you? Do I want to see what's underneath that intake? Probably not, and I'm sure you don't either. And obviously Milo don't, because he already walked away. But we got to get there. And by the way, this thing weighs like 30,000 pounds, so just because it's loose don't mean it's going to come. And it's also easy to get fingers in. Okay. I already know that's going to be junk. But let me get the distributor out of there. I'm going to have to beat that and destroy it to get it out, but it's garbage anyway, so I'll let you see me wreck it. This is never going to come out. And it's junk. So I really don't care. Something broke? Probably. Or if it's actually coming loose. But regardless of the fact, yeah, it broke. It's in my way. See? So, I don't know. I need it moved. Somehow. Well, it wasn't junk, it is now. But it's still in my way. Because I need to get behind it. In order to get this off, that's in my way. And there's not enough room on here to put a jam knot. I don't know why they do that, but all of them are like that. But the problem is, the distributor in my way. So how can we get that out of the way? Wait a second. See, that's what's left of it. If this will get out of my way, then the intake will come off. you know, there's more than one way to skin a cat. If I get that off, that thing's in my way. So, you know, I always have a plan. I'm not saying it's a good one, but I have a plan. You know, come on. I gotta turn that heater down, man. It's like excessive in here. There's more than one way to fix this problem. There really is. Most people would screwdriver and razor knife. I don't have time for that. So we're going to do the next best thing. And we're going to resort to power tools. See? That'll be a lot quicker. Now, was that so hard? Not even a little. I guess I should cut them while I'm at it because they're just going to be annoying me too. Amazing. Look how fast those came off. Isn't that just neat? Thing's still a little on the hot side. Ooh, you did a little on the orange side, but that's fine. It also needs to be touched with the hammer. There. Now it's not broken anymore. Okay, let's get a screwdriver on the front side. See if we can pry past that point. Yeah, buddy. Our little hammer is going to get awfully heavy to swing all over the place, like so. Yeah, look at that. Now I got to use this side. To get past the bolt, and hopefully the distributor's not stopping me. That wouldn't be good. Yeah, I think that might be creating some issues, but I think I can get past it. There we go. Perfect. Oh, yeah, this might work. Oh. Now, come on. Ooh, yeah. It's heavy. I'll be damned. The motor ain't as bad inside, folks, as I thought it was. You just gotta chill out a minute. I gotta move this 3,000-pound intake. Whoa! Fuck, is this thing heavy? This is not as bad inside as I thought. We may have a cold chance in hell. Flashlight. What we got? Yep, that one's definitely underwater. Hey, who's winning? Ooh, the silent treatment? She won. Sorry, Bubby. Apparently, this has oil in it. That kind of sucks. We're gonna buzz these off, and we're gonna try to bust our back loose. That one's already out. Come back up here. Then we go down here. Okay, we got one that's still too tight. So, that'll up the oil leak. You guys stay out of the oil. Hey, you. No. Now we're going to do what we're supposed to do. Pull. I thought I got all of them. Yeah, I did. These are all done. The shame inside this engine here is not bad at all. It's what got down the cylinders is what's bad. My opinion is I think the block is junk. But what do I know? That's my opinion. The engine block itself is junk. Okay, where was I? This side. That means I can start it here. 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 Back up to here. Ooh, something does not smell good. I missed one. Something does not smell good at all. Like, not good. These things are going to be stuck really good. Where'd the bar go? being the closest thing I can find. We're going to pop them loose with this, but I'm not going to roll them off. There. What to set that on? That one's loose. That one's popped very easy, but these are not, by no means, light. So what can we put it on? If we can get it off, I can stand up on a 10. Maybe. Oh, Jesus. Not as bad as I thought. Oh. Look at the size of them valves. That's our worst one. Flat top pistons. Oh yeah. She Cobra Jet all the way, baby. Flat top pistons with that chamber is 11.3-to-1 compression. I think this block is savable. It's not that bad. Which means she has 4-bolt mains also. But yep, you got the big valves. I mean this. Woohoo! So far I'm happy. So far I'm happy. Now, this is an old trick I learned a long time ago. I hate that compressor. Exhaust bolts of the Ford heat shrink. They get smaller than the 9/16. So when I get a 14mm, and a lot of times, see most of now this one, that might be a 1/2 incher, but the rest of them are pretty tight. So maybe we'll get lucky. I do not want to damage these manifolds if I can help it. I'll probably never touch another set in my life. Damn it. That one didn't make it. That one I'm going to have to use a 1/2 inch and beat on it. This one is... We're getting fairly lucky. Oh no, that one now. But the metric socket usually does the trick, which it is for the most part. That one's definitely not going to work. And we have, oh, that's not good. We had one snap off. That's not good. That's why we make machine shop. Okay, we got 3. Oh. You gotta feel it. Feel where it hits the flat spot. Yeah, it came up. So you guys put the socket off now. Or you break the bolt off. I think that's what it looks like it's probably going to happen. So, all right, see that? Counted the 1/2 inch on that one. This is the way I'm going to do the rest of these. Then we'll come back in when we're headed over to the machine shop. We're going to drop these off with Andy today. We can get them cleaned, have them checked, make sure there's nothing wrong. Man, I'll tell you what, it looks like a tornado just came through here. We're on our way over to Andy's, Jensen Technologies, to drop off these heads. Man, I'll tell you what, I don't know what just came through here, but it was wicked. Hey, yeah, the sun's out up here. Right up here. Jensen Technology. Doesn't mean he's here. He has a lot of neat stuff. Check that out. That's probably a C10. That's his rig in there. He's one of the fastest streetcars in the U.S. Oh, yay. What's up there, partner? Yep, that's all taken care of. So, when they get done, they get done. No hurry. Thanks for watching Young Guys Garage. Like, subscribe, share. All the neat stuff down below. Then we can keep doing what we're doing. Have a great day.